President of the FMCG business of ITC in 2014 to COO in 2016, Sanjiv Puri has carved out a niche for himself, having joined the FMCG major in 1986. Puri's two-decade-old stint has paid off and paid off richly. Here's more from Sanjiv Puri's first conversation after taking over as the COO of ITC.
ITC has a very robust portfolio of businesses. Each one of them has potential to grow in the future. Whether we look at FMCG, where we have a very bold aspiration to be 100,000 crores.
By 2030. Can you give me a more immediate term target?
Well, Shireen, we don't give guidance, but certainly, if you look at the growth rates that we have seen in the past, I think we continue to grow ahead of what the industry is achieving. This year itself, we have 25 products in the market. It could have been a little more if we were able to do it in this quarter. And we have some categories that we have gone into in the recent past. In the recent past, we've done juices with Be Natural. We have entered dairy with Ashirwad Swasti Ghee. Then we have gone into chocolates with Pebble, a luxury chocolate offering, and then we have Sunbeam coffee. So clearly we are in fact focusing on strengthening our presence in existing categories and also getting into newer ones, which we are incubating right now, I would say, and would be engines of growth in the future for sure.
So given what you are saying, Sanjiv, would it be fair to say that foods is going to be the game changer, foods is going to be the big growth engine as far as ITC is concerned going forward?
Well, foods offers us the biggest potential because that's the area where our enterprise strengths can be leveraged to the most. See, we have the advantage of a very strong agri backend, and we have the advantage of the culinary expertise from the hotels.
Yes.
And we of course have our traditional strengths of trade marketing and distribution and skills of consumer insight and brand building. So this is certainly the area that offers us a maximum leverage of our enterprise strengths. So it will remain a significant portion of our FMCG play and a driver of our growth. But having said that, let me also say that...
but it also then gets a larger proportion of the investments as well, doesn't it?
It does get, and that's where the bulk of the investments are.